Banana Q. Fried banana Q with sugar. Coffee, guys. Drinking coffee and some banana Q. My mom made it. Good morning, Rai.
Di ka mag-agi. Ano kinagapuan? Ano ng palda mo? Lunis na wala ka nagpalda? Mapalda ko na.
Good morning. How are you? Huh? How are you? Huh? Hey, hey, hey. See? You see? You see? You see them? You see? You see? Good morning. Good morning. Oi, oi, oi. You playing? Oi. Where's daddy? Huh? Where is your daddy?
Might as well strap that thing to your box better.
The box cutter is here. Our solar panel, 550 watts, right, Asawa? Yeah, 550 watts. It's huge.
Tapos katiin mo na lang siguro na makapalastik.
Here's how.
Put down. Wait. Okay. Put that down.
Oh, that's right here.
What is that?
I don't know.
I
I don't know if it's a problem or not.
Basa.
Didn't?
Naigas-gas. Ah, di man.
It needs to be cleaned. It's got dust on it, but that might not be. It might be okay.
How do you testing that?
You have to plug it into a power, like to the power bank or to the EcoFlow. You can plug it in there. It'll show how many volts. But the problem is we don't know how many volts till it gets full sun.
Yeah.
Is there any over here on this side? A little bit. It might be nothing.
Yeah.
It could be okay. But I think it's a little bit of delamination. How do we get it up there?
Jimmy, sa kapon ko.
Paano ganyan na isakat yan?
Dali lang na.
Ano ng inang PC, no?
Well, we need to get all the.
Ikaw na nagdana na.
We need to get the channel, everything out here, Asawa.
Yeah, bring the cables, everything here, and the battery. This is your workplace, your garage.
Oh, it is it?
So, why your face like that?
'Cause
You're
it can
happy or
be.
not?
What's your comment?
I will bring all here.
Spiders.
Kaya? Oh yeah, you have a stair. You see?
First, we'll have to get. We need all the mounts, the brackets, everything. Will.
Yeah.
And then we need to test it. We need to make sure we get the wire hooked up before it goes up.
Bring that cables.
You need to go get everything, Asawa. We need
Hold
to. We need to find out if 30 meters will be enough to go.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
Napakatong ka na si Loy. Ano?
Ano na lang, pakatapos natin testing.
Wala rin.
Basi tanggalon na lang hunugan mo.
Kayo ho, sinalpak diri ang negative, pasok diri. Andi din naman ang positive, pasok di sa negative.
So we don't ask the
Tingnan mo.
cable for that solar there.
Oh, positive
We
baga,
do
oh.
we do have, well, they gave us only one feed. I'm not worried because we can always, as long as we know what is what.
And wire is na lang. Bali na lang wire. I-change the wire.
Hindi matanggal. Pero okay naman na siya, maski negative or positive. Kasi
Ay, laki pa laki.
usad man ang line niya, pares lang sinda wire eh.
Nag-testing ako sana. Nagkakunik ako sana. Ako malas nagkunik sana. Tuktuan ako.
Dili magana.
Kasi masunog.
It will come undone.
We are going to install our solar panel, and that's there. As you can see, we are busy. Dua?
Video. Ari mati-ati natin po ba?
Okay lang ina yan. Okay lang ina sindala. Pag mga ano, mga mechanics, ganun talaga.
Ay, ito. Nabuang na ulit mo. Nasundang man. Kanina pa. Dalagalak na sundang. Okay.
Now we fixing our solar panel symbol and fixing some
Yeah, it's more like a symbol.
symbol.
Solar panel, 550 watts.
Yeah, remember you get electrocuted holding two wires.
Kuryente ka giguna sana.
Kusok.
250 210 voltahe. Voltage.
Asawa, did you bring the voltage tester over here?
Yeah. I will get it. Sa box na ito
Or
gimbal mo
actually,
kapon.
where's the electrical tape? The electrical tape?
Yeah,
Where?
I will get.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay na siguro.
Tikit gigo.
Red, negative.
So this one is
Is
negative.
hindi
Oh, wait,
negative.
that's negative. Okay.
Positive white.
Ay, confusing.
You see the red one there,
Yeah,
son?
yeah.
Ang red negative na, baliktad eh. Binaliktad.
It is?
Awi din na ani siya nung punta sa'yo kay makakuha na ko dito. Hindi ka oh. Oh, makiling oh.
Ako na lang dai. Kapya kay videohan ta kamo.
Ito this is
One more.
positive. Kay binaliktad ba kay inihon positive dapat adin ni didihan wire. Ang hinimo ang red nagiging ang positive magiging negative.
Ang masarigit sini kita sa tik nalimutan mga. Pero sa akin, burobot ko lang. Yung sinmatula, maluyan, kung maluyan.
Maayos yun ang nakapiripit. Ano?
Eh, Mabira-bira man eh.
Kahit pag ang wires kumuan, pag hila-hila sa bagay, dipinsahan lang gid sini ho. Dakmulan lang gid na.
Dara gid ya.
You turn it on?
Adjust
Yeah.
ang tanay, adjust ang.
Hello!
Hello, why? Ma-adjust pa kang.
You know, I'm scared also, asawa. How many feet is this?
What you try,
16 feet? The height?
you're maybe almost 6 feet.
No, this one here, the
Well,
building.
yeah, but you're not up there. Your feet are 5.5, 5 feet, 10 inches, 8 inches. That's your ball.
Oh, look.
Very hot.
Really? Why?
Alam mo na kay basta tanaw ka.
Oh. I don't know. I don't care. If they say my bubot. You know bubot asawa? Huh?
No.
It's,
Your butt?
yeah.
Yeah, see, I know.
I married a South Swine Pine.
Yeah, whatever.
Look at this. Oh. Ay, oh.
Oh, look at the coconut.
Look at here. What else you need?
I don't, nothing right now.
Oh.
And the ultimate question is, does this make it? And
Ada na rin mga bolts yan? Ah, okay.
oh, what is this? Green onion?
Yeah,
Oh, look at that.
my mom.
Wow, she planted something.
Yeah, look at this green onion here. Here, ano, little garden.
She must be getting hungry.
Why are you hungry for this? Why is always hungry, asawa? Huh? They're getting they harvest the ano this the veggies. Sweet potato. The red sweet potato leaves.
Or 8.
Na ano?
Open. Ito sa tulbak, aw sa may motor gali siguro. Open kay dili man yung makagat sa motor.
Wow, look at this one.
Awa din yung susi oh.
We put this in. You can make this salad, and also you can use also for soup, sinigang, or you can make yeah.
Open lang, yan ang baga sagat niya oh. Ito, bagan nga.
This is life in the Philippines, the province life. We can harvest our food like if you don't have money but you have you planted the foods, you can harvest and you can eat it. It's free. Unless you don't have the land to plant. There are many here. The table is just like they will sell for you. Just read.
What?
The chair.
About it.
It's like it's cracked now. Can you see it? It's because it will be to you asawa. It's working. Kita na na. Ay, sinayan pa. Sindalo. Tanga mo man ang palaya. Katila man akong sagol-sagol na utan. Naginataan. May pangayos na ko niya na sinabawan mang. Sabawan. Lawoy. Oo. Sabaw na lang mang. Kay maayo maghigop. It's worth 45 now.
Yeah, I'm only getting 45 watts, so I want more. Well, actually, the sun's not out, so I don't know what I will get.
Agwakan sili dito rog sana. Ah. Yeah. Sige. Look at our coconut here. Banana and coconut.
Like this long, I will need those. I think you put them back in one of the containers.
Little screw.
Yeah,
You can do here as well. If you want. Not in there.
to where?
Here. Okay. So we now our charge controller, solar charge controller. And a piece of plywood here.
Okay, that's
We attach. What's that? Power inverter.
Yeah.
So we bought the brand of this solar charge controller is MPPT solar charge controller. Yeah, specialized for solar PV power system. That's the name, PPPT. And the brand of this is the brand of power inverter. Power inverter converts DC vehicles. Is the yellow box. Ayan, 1000 watts and 12 volts. AC output voltage 220 volts. Ayan, yellow box.
Put this in the box. Where's the battery?
There is our. So that's the battery that we got. The lithium batteries is worth of 13,500. The lithium battery.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah. The 12 volts, 100 EH. You see the brand. Support series. Solar All. We bought this in Solar All. And the price is 13,500.
Remember, these are over here.
Yeah. Pesos. And we buy this for how much this one?
Too much.
This one is 4,800 and the power inverter is 2,800 and the charge controller is 4,800. That's the price. And of course we bought the cables like 100 meters. So we got like 30 meters. So from here to there. to garage. All good?
Yep.
So it's ready. So what's that cable? Oh, that's for going to battery.
Mm-hmm. So this will feed into there and so on. Hold it. What do I do with the white cover? There. Shit, that wire's thick.
It's too big.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Our water here, we don't have water here in the province because I think they need to fix that hose because the water is not working, it's not flowing, so they need to change the hose. I don't know, it's already 4 days now we don't have water, so we go and get water to other places. So we put here in the so we use this our chariot to get the water. Yeah. Kumusta ka mo da? Kailangan yung kalo. So
We have to clean it off too.
Look out!
Taga-antay ka pamunas yan. Punasan mo. Satasawa.
Yeah, I need a Phillips screwdriver.
You can check there.
No, there's no Phillips in. Take that. Put it somewhere else. No, they're probably behind the seat.
Okay na. Gaano man siya.
Ha?
Ada makikitaan man sa control.
Sugad man sa Iloy? Pirang bakal mo sa charge controller mo?
Big one set. One set. Sobra masik stock.
Pag barato lang lugod.
Tayo. Tay. Paano nga Diyos ko? Muli nakadako.
Kaya.
Ay. Kung dako man pa, dako man.
Sabagay. Or it man yun.
Dapat nabutang galang ko din ko. Pusti. Makurtian ako. Ano?
Abot, ano itong wire dito? Abot.
Abot ila. Mauna ko.
Oh, it's, can you,
What?
that first?
Can I what?
This one.
Oh, well, I'm just checking. That's all I'm doing is testing.
Okay.
Nothing more.
Loy, thank you, Loy!
Let's see.
Oh, thank you, ha!
Battery 0. Pullman.
But it's not 24, it's going to be 12.
Oh yeah, why is
It's gonna be too big. Shit. Too small.
so we have all of these. Grabe na pagkaano niya gamit.
Huh?
Lito tanan.
Damo lang.
What?
Daog pan electrician sa gamit.
Ay oo, kompleto na siya tanan. Dahon pa siya sa Amerika. Ubus na nga yung kwarsa niya mga gamit.
Maganda gid ikaw i-clip mo dito sa spark plug na pag tubig.
Na kailangan mo.
Hindi ah.
Ah. Kaya magbaka daw.
Ay. Oh, kailangan ko dikit na dikit. Uto doon pa yung di ano.
Yung utang galon.
Sing ano kalaba.
1 inch siguro.
No, not even that. Because it's going inside there.
Baga nirog lang sa nyo. Baga nusag ka. Inakuko mo.
Nagwarag yung cutter. At ito itong sundang kusay.
Dama akong
It's already, isn't it cut? Didn't I cut that one? No, I didn't. Brian. Yeah.
Kami na mga ginapanghukal ko.
Very heavy duty.
Mga Boy Scout mo lang maluya-luya.
Ay, wala. Kung mga technician malang dito sa aruroy na maluya-luya, ini siya kompleto.
Manhurang pang gamit. Masabag na siya.
Oh, tell them don't squeeze too hard
Hawag mo dahil ito.
because it'll kind of flatten out the wire.
Flat and wire.
Damo binako sa yung cutter di. May pakikuha.
Nag-wiring man ako.
Himuan ko nga nini siya sang garage na panghangin na niya mga gamit para din naginilingkat pang flat.
Yep. So sometimes when that happens, Ryan, if it don't go in, you take this and this will make it round, perfectly round. Is it good?
Kasya?
So let's see, this goes to the battery, this goes to the battery, the solar will go over here, and this can go to DC light bulb. Like
Sa
this,
ilaw?
like this one here.
Sa ilaw ini. Light.
Yeah. So you have one for your house too. That and the light switch and the light thing. But I don't think we have enough
Ini
light.
madali lang pangkabit to. Maaraman mo pangkabit.
Yeah.
And then we
I
have,
think it's not enough this one.
yeah, I
It's
don't think
only
so.
9 meters.
We'll have to get more, and then a light switch.
So,
Ikaw na i-tester na siguro.
So the next thing is put this on the wall, and then we need to push the button. Now try. Go slow. My God. You go too quick and it won't go in.
you don't know that his first
I
time
know.
asawa.
And then over here.
Slow lang daw dandahan tapos i-adiin mo.
Oh, wait. We're going the wrong way. Try. No? Okay. Don't squeeze it so much. Okay. So next time tell them don't squeeze the trigger so much, kind of like slowly power it.
Okay.
That makes a difference.